Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on today with another BEEBEECRAFT project share. Now, this project is not going to be a craft with me because it took too long to put it together, and I know that many of you probably are not sewers to do the type of project that I'm talking about, and so I didn't really feel it would be beneficial to many of you. But if you're interested, let me know and I can point you in the direction of some instructions. But anyway, so before I get into my project, let me just tell you a little bit about BEEBEECRAFT. We always have to talk about that. I am a BEEBEECRAFT collaborator for their YouTube program, and I do have a coupon code. It's Enis10, and if you use the code while shopping, you will save 10% off your whole order. My coupon is good until November 29 of this year. So yeah, be sure to use the coupon code if you decide to shop. Also, if you're interested in becoming a YouTube collaborator with BEEBEECRAFT, I will have a link in the description box below. If you have 100 or more subscribers and produce videos on your channel, you are eligible to apply. And when you click on that link, it will give you more information and you can fill out an application. Also, don't forget that BEEBEECRAFT is a mecca of crafting goodies that they sell for every type of crafting you can think of. I mean, there's something there for everybody, and if you want to try a new craft, the prices are so good. They have so many sales and coupons going on all the time that that's a great place to do your shopping. So anyway, with all that technical stuff out of the way, let me show you the products that I'm using in the project that I'm going to show you. So first of all, I did show in my unboxing video the package of faux suede that I got, and this is just one small piece of the leftovers that I have. I did use most of it in the project. I do have enough to make another small project, but yeah, this is just a sample of it. Just wanted to give you a close-up there. It is a very nice quality faux suede, and it worked great for my project today. I also used a piece of this zipper tape, and when you buy zipper tape like this, you get a big giant roll. I mean, there are yards and yards and yards on here, and this is a nice wide tape, and I didn't really need a tape this wide, so I actually cut, this part here is called twill tape. I actually cut down on each side of the piece that I used in my project because I just didn't need that much, and it is fine because I'm sewing it in. It is going to take care of any raw edges, so I did use a piece of that. And when you buy the tape like this, you also get a package of zipper heads. So you've got them all right here, and I am going to show you how I put the zipper onto the zipper tape, because you'll see you have many feet and yards here of this, and there's no zippers on it. So what you do is you actually put the zipper on and you cut it to the length that you need. So that out of the way, I am going to move these aside, and I'm going to take one of these zipper heads, and I'm going to show you how to add a zipper head to a zipper tape. Okay, and I'm going to zoom my camera in a little bit so you can get a better look at this, so hold on. All right, so I just cut a small piece of the tape, and you'll notice that I trimmed down some of the twill tape here. Now, I just did that because I think for me, it's easier for me to get the zipper head on if I don't have this extra fabric here. Now, you don't have to cut that off, it's just what I did. And also, your tape is going to be zipped up already when you get it. Now mine is not zipped, and that's because I was playing around with the zipper. And that's really not a big issue, but I'm going to show you how to put the zipper back on. So hopefully I can do this on camera and not cause any problems. So I like to hold the zipper head so that it's facing me. So you see that zipper facing me. And what you'll do is you'll take your zipper teeth and you're going to put it into one side, and you kind of do it on a little bit of an angle, and you'll see how that goes in. Okay, but I'm going to try to keep my zipper close to the end of that, okay? Now I'm going to take the other piece of the zipper tape, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it in on an angle. Now the second one, for me, is always a little bit more difficult because it's got to kind of get in there with the other zipper teeth that are already there, okay? So I think that it's in there. Hopefully it is. And now, because this zipper is open, I'm going to hold this closed. Normally it would be closed like this is closed, okay? I'm going to hold it closed. I'm just going to kind of push the zipper, and you can see already the zipper is going on. there you have it. Pretty easy, right? And you can go up and down as much as you want, just like a regular zipper. Now, I did want to mention, when you buy zippers, and actually, give me a second, I'm going to get a zipper out. So you can see, I have a lot of zippers. I have a whole case full of zippers. So I'm just going to grab one out and give you a look. So this is a regular zipper. Looks like it's probably a 7 or an 8-inch zipper. Let me just measure. Yeah, it's an 8-inch zipper. And I just wanted to point out that when you buy a zipper as a whole, not as a tape like this, it's going to have a stopper at the end, okay? And on the other end, it's going to have some type of a stopper on the other end as well. This one happens to have 2 little metal clips. Sometimes it'll be closer to the edge and it'll be like a plastic clip on there. But this one, see, it won't let the zipper go any farther. So this is a regular zipper. The zipper tape, on the other hand, has no stoppers. So the idea behind this is you can use a zipper as long as you need, okay? So say you're doing a formal dress and it needs a zipper all the way down the back. That might be a couple of feet long. So what you'll do is you'll cut out the number of inches or feet of the zipper tape that you need, and you'll just add your zipper on. Now, when you sew the zipper into your project, you'll actually be stitching over the end of the zipper, which will create the stopper. Okay, so the zipper can't go down any farther. Now, because I don't have a stopper on here, if I zip all the way down, the head's going to come right off. So that's how this works. Okay, I just wanted to give you guys an idea of that. So let me put this away. And now I'm going to show you my project. So just give me a second. I'm going to zoom the camera back in because it's kind of large and I don't think I can get it in the view. So hold on. Okay, so here is my project. I made a faux suede tote bag with shamrock handles. Really, really pretty bag. It's got a really nice feel to it. And let's see how I can do this. It's a hard angle here, so here's the top of the bag, and it has what's called a recessed zipper, which means it's down inside. And here is the BEEBEECRAFT zipper. Okay, so you'll see I used several inches there, and I'm just going to grab the zipper head and unzip it. And that's it. Isn't that pretty? So what I did was I used some shamrock fabric from my stash, and you'll see this is really cute. It's got some glittery gold shamrocks, and then it's got larger shamrocks in different shades. The handles, the recessed part, and the lining are all done with the shamrock fabric. And honestly, I would have liked to have done the bag in the shamrock instead of the black, but this is the suede I had, so that's what I had to use, okay? And then I actually included a little pocket on the inside, and this is made with the faux suede as well. So it's a great bag. Just zip that closed again. And let me give you some measurements. So I've got a flat bottom on here. Just going to fold that down. So if we go from the edge of the bag to the edge of the bag, it is 4 inches wide and about 9.5 inches wide. And then if we measure the bag from the bottom to the top of the bag, not including the handles, it is 10 inches. Okay, so it's a nice size bag. You can pack quite a bit of goodies in there. Nice handles. They're not real short, but they're not super long. I think they're a good length. Make a good book bag. Make a great bag for carrying your crafty stuff from place to place. A good bag for carrying your things back and forth to church, your Bible and whatnot in there. I mean, just a nice little bag. And I like the fact that the bottom folds up, and you can fold this bag up and store it away if you want. And then it just pops back open again because this faux suede has got some heft to it. It's a very nice quality, actually. So yeah, if you're interested in making something with faux suede, I would recommend going on to BEEBEECRAFT and checking it out. And they did have other colors, but I couldn't find zippers to match the colors that I was interested in, so I went with the black. That's why I'm using black here. I really would have liked to have used something brighter and more cheerier for the springtime, but you know what? This is a good bag for this time of year, and so that's my project. I hope you like it. I did want to mention that this is a giveaway. If you're interested in getting in the drawing to win this bag, you need to leave a comment down below using the word lucky in a sentence. You have to be 18 years or older, have a U.S. mailing address, be either a subscriber to my channel or a frequent commenter. This is not sponsored by BEEBEECRAFT or YouTube. I created this bag using products that were gifted to me in my collaboration package, but like I said, it is not sponsored by BEEBEECRAFT. Let me see. This video is going to be posting on Sunday, March 2nd, so I think I will do the drawing on the evening of March 10, if all goes well. Yeah, that's what my plan is. And yeah, I hope that you guys like this bag. I wish I could have done a video, but like I said, number one, I know a lot of you are not sewers, and this would be a project that might not interest you, but it is cute, and you know, it's great products if you're interested in them. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you all in the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.